How to play YouTube in background. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can play YouTube in the background. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's dive right in. First thing that you'll need to do is open up your YouTube. After you open up your YouTube, choose a video which you want to play. So actually there is no direct way you can play it in the background unless you buy YouTube Premium. But there is a feature in your Android device which will allow you to browse through other apps whenever you're using YouTube. So for that, from the bottom of your screen, swipe up and you'll see this area that says drag and release for pop-up view. So all you have to do is do that, and then your YouTube will play like this. Now you can let it sit by tapping on this option here, or simply swiping it up like this and letting it stay like that, and let it play in the background while you browse through other apps. And that's basically how you do it, guys, and that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye-bye. Take care.